Start by choosing a skill that genuinely interests you. Whether it's AI, web development, design, or video edit, your passion will keep you learning, growing, and moving toward freelancing success. Choose a skill that will stay valuable for years, not just a temporary trend. A skill with strong future demand creates more opportunities and long-term freelancing success. Choose skills with a strong future. Point 3. Learn your skill. But here's the secret: basics first. Don't run before you walk. Master the foundation, practice daily, and ignore distractions. Start small, win big. Let's go. Point 4. Skill के top लोगों से सीखो. Watch their every move. Observe how they think, create, and solve problems. Success leaves clues. Go find them. Let's level up. Point 5. Best portfolio banao is your digital resume. Don't show 50 average projects. Show 3 to 5 of your absolute best. Quality over quantity. Make them say, wow. Let's build your showcase. Point 6. Communication pe work karo. Clients don't just buy your skills, they buy trust. Listen more than you talk. Build a real connection. If they like you, they'll hire you again and again. Let's connect. Point 7. Platform ko samjho. Every platform has its own algorithm, client behavior. Study them deeply. When you understand the game, you win every time. Let's strategize. Point 8. Client ko best work deliver karo, over deliver. Make them smile. They'll come back and bring referrals. Your work speaks louder than words. Let's deliver. Point 9. Ek level reach karke agency start karo. You've learned, you've delivered, now it's time to scale. Build a team. Multiply your income. Become the CEO